just very rubbish. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't know that.
Hi guys! Welcome to me.
Baby, I done it wrong again. I'm so sorry. Should I just say hi guys? Because I don't know what to say. Like I want to say something, but I don't know what to say.
Why you're a rapper, you not go show like that.
It's fine, the rapper's nice.
Rapper.
3, 2, 1.
Hey guys!
Welcome to Mimi and Vicky's cooking show. So today,
we're gonna cook the African delicacy,
the African cuisine,
jollof of rice.
Jollof rice. Now don't ask us what's better, Nigerian or Ghanaian, because we won't answer, okay?
Choose your mom's side or your dad's side. Right.
We don't want to do this occasion. We are going to be making Nigerian jollof rice. Just because we're following a recipe that we saw on YouTube. It's from this girl. It's got like amazing views, so I'm pretty sure that
It's Gucci.
it's Gucci. So we are just going to follow everything that she does and make some jollof rice.
But I've done this
part of the cooking. That is part of the cooking. Go ahead.
So we're just gonna try and see what we can do. Okay. First things first, I'm gonna rinse this. Drop this and make the whole club fill it. Ingredients we have is tin tomatoes.
No, wash your hand first before anything.
No, we're just gonna show them the ingredients. So the first ingredients you have is chopped tomatoes,
fresh tomatoes,
scotch bonnet,
tomato puree,
fresh peppers, onions,
basmati rice.
Jesus, it's long. What did you call it?
Easy cook rice.
Basmati rice. No, you can use any rice you want. Okay, let's just start again.
Easy cook.
Oil, chicken no cubes, fried thyme,
and all-purpose seasoning,
jollof seasoning,
and anti-bees spices,
which is just a bunch of spices and I'll mix together. Now we've shown you all the ingredients.
We are gonna start preparing our meal.
The first thing we do is hygiene, darling.
Wash them hands, because you know them bacteria, they still gonna be on them.
Make sure the hands are clean. Hand soap, preferably from Body Shop.
Because we do not want you to get sick.
What are we doing now, sis?
We are gonna put all of these in a blender. 2 big peppers, 4 red bell peppers.
They're not peppers, babe, they're tomatoes.
Sorry. And then scotch bonnet 2. And last but not least, the onions.
Last but not least.
Onions, which is here.
So we're gonna put all of them into the blender. Ooh, my protein shake's gonna be tasting like pepper. Okay, cool, let's go.
So you are.
Thank me now.
Cause it costs 50 pounds. Costs 50 pounds. Trying to flip these pounds.
Hey.
That sheen on the machine.
Drop that top. Cause I'm in my baby, we can do with game.
Where's it?
I want the season. I want this bit to be really nice.
Tomatoes. My sons will say, Mommy made the best jollof rice.
Okay, babe. Just this time around, I just want to listen to the girl on YouTube. But next time I listen to you.
Guys, Mimi's doing it exactly the way the girl's saying it. Like, okay, you have to put 2 liters of water in it.
Because she has 1 million views. Do you have 1 million views on the jollof rice?
If I done it, I would have 7 billion views.
I think not. Alright guys, so we don't currently have a pot, so we're just going to be the budgeonista way and use this frying pan. Well, we have a pot, but
we have a pot, but it's not big enough.
It's not big enough, so we're going to use a frying pan. She said to put some oil. Oh.
No, man.
What's going on here? What's going on here? What happened? Oh gosh.
Make sure there's no water in the pan, though.
There's no water.
It will sag for your face.
I don't know how much she did.
You know, she put bare, like, let it cover the whole thing.
No, small.
Oh my. Alright, so we put some oil and then we're going to let that simmer. Then we're taking some diced onions, which my mum kindly diced for us.
The oil needs to be hot before you put the onions. And
Mommy, we do know how to cook, you know that, right?
As a matter of fact, put tiny salt before you put the onions. It brings the flavor out. The flavor.
And Mimi's not gonna listen to it. Do you know why? She wants to do everything the girl with 1 million views got.
Exactly. She got 1 million views on her jollof rice. I'm trying to copy everything she did.
What, and if it's nasty, yeah? No, I'll blame you. Like, I'll actually blame you.
Nah, I blame you. I blame you.
Think about this here.
the puree. She said add 3/4.
Mama said puree.
What's it called?
Puree.
Are you alright?
You said puree.
It's called puree, Vicky.
It's not called puree.
Use the puree.
Frequently stir. Stir for 5 minutes, sis.
Gotta make it juicy. Ooh, damn.
That looks so damn good. Now you gotta pour everything that you mixed before into here. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Shush. Then you have to mix it all together. So now she said add the seasoning. You guys should make sure you watch her video to get exactly what she added, but I'm not gonna lie, we're just gonna add a bunch of random stuff in it. No point lying to the people. She said 1 tablespoon of thyme. Then what else did she do? She did the thing.
And this spice.
Oh my god, mommy, we're gonna put in yours, don't worry.
1 tablespoon only. Don't put more than 1.
So basically it's meant to be popping like that, and then she said you've got to use the lid to cover it over and let it sit for 15 minutes.
20 minutes.
Alright, 20 minutes.
So now, because we're jobless and we have nothing else to do, we just finna dance.
Sipping ain't boring, so I might go Harris. Too much siren.
I scream for the fire, just screaming that look. I had Ellie in the air, trying to be the best of the year. Just quick for that. Yeah, the over there. What that one? I'm about to go uni, so drugs.
Time, baby, we can do SK. It's for but if you can test it.
I need now.
Cost 50, cost 50. Trying to flip these pounds. That shit, man, I'm not shit.
Tell them.
Attention, I'ma need you to face front.
You don't want smoke with me, this is a lace blunt.
Rap Jackie Chan, we ain't pulling no face front.
See my crown? No!
Yeah, let's get the crown.
Get the crown, get the crown! Get the crown, get the crown! Get the crown! My crown won't fit on your bum ass lace front! Oh! Get the crown!
Unfortunately, as always, Mimi deleted the footage.
It was an accident. I deleted the middle bit, but basically all we did was pour the rice into the tomato sauce.
But how are they gonna know that way?
I'm just telling them, wait.
Wow.
And then we let it sit for about, how long? 40 minutes. So we let it sit for like 40 minutes, and this is what we got. Hope you guys enjoy. Voila! We have Jollof. Let's try it. Smells amazing, darling.
Hopefully it tastes the same way.
So you get a spoon, I get a spoon.
Why your face get ducked, Mama?
Face mask. This is the most realistic learning how to cook jollof video ever. Cheers.
The way you do your mouth, they will say the rice not sweet.
No, it's nice. It is nice.
It has too much pepper and I don't do
A lot of pepper. She did say in the video that she uses 2 because she likes pepper.
And Mimi decided that she wanted to do exactly what she done.
Because I wanted to copy Yvonne. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys like,
Comment
and subscribe.
I'm just confused now with this thing when you tell me.
Money.
You know, James, because when I do video.
Yeah, they've almost finished, man. They've almost finished.
As you can see, everyone's tired because everyone just wants to eat.
and it's bare dark, but it took us 4 hours.
Yeah, it's proper dark now. So yeah, so make sure you guys comment down below what other things you would like us to try and cook.
British meal next time. Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.
Bye.
What the fuck up the screen?